Now I'm closer to these things. I don't see anything that says private property yet. I think there's a sign down there. But look, there's another track back there. There's two tracks. Some kind of a siding, I guess. Anyway, look, this is what I want to look at. Look at this thing. What the heck is it? It's cute. Providence and Worcester Railroad, but it doesn't, like I said, doesn't look like an engine, doesn't look like a car, doesn't look like a caboose. Let's see what we got here. Stuff. Okay, now here is, I hear noises. Okay. This is probably, it looks all messed up, see? But it says there, home shop for repair, do not load. So, and it says Connecticut Central. And it has that number on it, so I'll have to look it up. Unless somebody wants to save me the trouble and knows what it is. Let me see if I can get the other side of this thing. It's pretty interesting. I'd like to get in it. Yeah. Because look, I could. Look, I could go right up there. Okay. There's a glad hand. I don't know what that is, but it's certainly not going anywhere. I'm gonna go up there. I wonder if I could get up. I wonder if alarms will go off. See. Okay, I'm going up. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. This is, let's see what's in there. That's what's in there. I don't know. And I'm up here. I guess it's just old thing that nobody uses anymore. There's one of those wheels that they do to tie stuff with together around leash. And now I can go down this way and this is fun. Look at, this is so cool. I could get on the other one too. Okay, I'm getting down on this side. One-handed. It's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go back here so my dog can see me. Truck drivers over there. They have engines on. Probably wondering what the heck I'm doing. Okay, look. All right, I'm going on this one too. It says Caboose equipped with 2 handbrakes. It says a B over there. Let me get up here. Oh, this is cool. See? This is what it looks like from here. It says B. I'll climb on that one and then look in that window. But let me go back. Hi, Nikki, I'm right here. Okay, this is pretty good. Ooh, I only need one hand to get down. See? Okay, okay, I'm down. Okay, now I'm gonna go up on this one here. I think I'll go up the front. There, see? They got those little wheelie things back there. That's what it looks like on the bottom. I don't know, you guys like wheels and stuff. Look at that. Is it different from this one? No, it's the same. All right, let me go down. We'll follow this guy. Let's see what else it says on here. Charging cord. And this says ABC. I guess it was built in 1969. Oh, it looks like it got repainted though. Those are just hoppers down there. All right, let me see. I go. Oh, look. They're like little desks in there and stuff. Boy, I wonder what this is. Obviously, it's some place that people work and write stuff down. Is it open? Oh my God, it opens. Oh, I can't, but it's locked. And there's the other train right there on the other track. Let me look down this way. Trains are not running on Sunday. Okay, go all the way down there. And there's some G&W engines down there. And I am probably not supposed to be here because if I fell or something, I would be a liability, but I am not falling. I'm climbing up these cars. It's so funny. Hey, Nick. Look at, what an interesting place. Even if they're not moving. Look, and there's the tracks all the way down there, all the way down this way. Oh my. Oh, and there's more tracks coming from the other way. Wow. Ties. Well, this is pretty interesting find. I'll have to be back. I want to go down there. Uh-oh. Look. I gotta stop because there's the sign. It says private property, no trespassing. So I will stop here and wow, have a nice look at this place. I'm gonna come during the day. Maybe there'll be live people here and they'll let me take more pictures. So wow, this was pretty cool. Nice Sunday morning. I'm happy.